The MSM Full-time MBA is a great opportunity to go outside your comfort zone in order to develop your profile as a skillful professional. During the program, we are dealing with relevant life cases, diversity issues in worldwide organizations, entrepreneurship and innovation ideas. These are the main challenges that we have to face to understand a globalized world, to improve our management profile as a global leader, and to expand our professional network and improve our job opportunities.
A full-time MBA at MSM will give you all the tools, skills and competences you need to change your career, grow up the ladder in your current company or even start your own company. On our brand new campus in Maastricht, you will have a chance to put your theoretical skills into practice. The 70 ECTS program is built up in a way to make the program as practical as can be. Through group discussions, presentations and case studies, you can immediately link and apply your newly learned skills. Imagine how challenging this can be if your 30 to 35 classmates have around 20 different nationalities and all come from different industries. Challenging but also fun, and this really prepares you for working with an international company afterwards.
I choose to study my full-time MBA at MSM because of the opportunity to create a global network, as MSMs make sure to mix different people and cultures in the class. In addition, the university has a very strong profile with multiple accreditations in the European Union that is supported with the proper courses during the year. I also appreciated the support to students with different scholarships.
The experience I'm having doing this full-time MBA is simply amazing. I was a bit worried when I enrolled coming from liberal sciences that I don't have a background in many disciplines which are part of the program. But all the professors give really clear explanations during their lectures and they're always available to help. And at the same time, the staff of MSM is awesome, and the organization of events and workshops which they develop are incredibly useful and helpful.
I would summarize my full-time MBA experience as leadership, innovation, and globalization. For me, these three terms define how MSM Full-time MBA prepares you to become a top management professional in an international environment.
I am summarizing my full-time MBA experience as astonishing, networking, and entrepreneurship.
Studying in Maastricht is great. I have the chance to meet so many people from all over the world and share ideas and points of view with my classmates and all the other students and professors we meet. And this is fantastic. You just get new knowledge and discover different cultures by chatting with your new friends.
The networking part is crucial as well. We have developed a career and personal development track, which includes company visits almost every other week, guest lectures, CV writing, elevator pitches, and much more. You can also participate in a mentorship program. All these tools we give you on the way to find your dream job or start your own company. Trust me, time will fly by in this one-year program.